foil off and then just put it on broil to crisp the cheese. Look at that.
Hi you guys, I'm God Love Sophia and I'm gonna show you how to make green chicken enchilada casserole.
See, I can't.
See, I shouldn't be down with y'all laughing.
Hi you guys, I'm God Love Sophia and I'm gonna show you how to do green chicken enchilada casserole. And this is Evelyn, this is my son's girlfriend. She is going to show you guys how to make this rice that I love. It's so easy and she makes it and it's like, just wait till the end because it's a bonus recipe.
Oh, you say that on your
Yeah, it's okay, I'm gonna edit. So I'm so mad that this chicken breast was literally, it's frozen like hard. Freaking, it's supposed to be soft, but I guess they had just put it out from the back, I don't know. But I'm not gonna use all of these chicken breasts. I'm just gonna boil 3 of them and then you're going to shred it. I always put salt in my water to boil. And I'm gonna throw the onion in there whole, and then after the chicken is ready to be shredded, that's when you chop up the onion. It's already gonna be soft.
Okay, so you are going to need a chicken breast. I normally use chicken with bone in it because it's more flavorful, but hey. 1 onion, a Mexican style cheese blend, a green onion, a little bit of cilantro, green enchilada sauce. I usually get mild, and olives if you like them.
You guys, there's no salt, so I'm just gonna put some adobo Goya in here because you need to season your water when you're boiling your chicken. Also, you guys, put the whole onion in there while you're boiling the chicken. We're gonna chop it up after and mix it in with the chicken and the sauce and the cheese. So I put the chicken and onion into a bowl, so I'm gonna shred the chicken and cut the onion. Okay, you guys, so once the chicken is shredded and the onion is cut, you add a whole can in here of the enchilada sauce and you're gonna mix it up. And you're gonna mix it all in here like this. Okay, you guys, so you're gonna get a casserole dish. Normally I use the bigger one, but this is what I'm working with right now. And you're gonna get the enchilada sauce and start layering it. So put a little bit of sauce at the bottom, and then the tortillas, the chicken, the cheese mix. I put a little bit of cilantro, and then the onions will be mixed in with the chicken already, and then just keep layering.
Burritos, tacos, enchiladas.
You can also use this type of cheese to put on top or inside, but you know, that's a little bit of a different flavor, but I always use the Mexican style blend cheese or just regular cheddar. Pepper jack is really good too because it has a little kick to it. So I'm gonna add some olives on top. You don't have to, and some green onions. I like olives and green onions, so basically this is how I'm gonna put it on top like this and cover it with foil and put it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. For the last 10 minutes you could uncover it, it's up to you. See, when you take the foil off and then just put it on broil to crisp the cheese. Look at that. Look at that. That looks yummy. Oh, we gotta get the cream.
To make the rice, you have to get jasmine rice. Jasmine rice is the only way to go. And then you have to put your pot on medium high. So you just get the pot like hot and ready. So I'm gonna open it. And then I'm gonna make 2 cups of rice. So make sure you put 1 cup. Just to clean, because you gotta wash your rice. You got to wash your rice. So basically how you make the rice, you're gonna start off by putting your pan on the stove, and you're gonna put it just to medium, well, kind of medium, kind of high. And then you're gonna grab a wash it. You're gonna put 4 cups of water. And then you're gonna grab your oil and you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of oil. Then you're gonna grab your clean rice and just
Crollo out the kitchen.
this. We're just gonna mix it around. Just until it gets a little bit more hard. And then you use chicken bouillon. You use 4 tablespoons of this. You're just gonna sprinkle it around. Then you're gonna grab and mix it. Mix it, and as you mix, you wanna put your water. Now that that's all the seasoning isn't put inside, you're gonna leave it to boil for 20 minutes with the lid on medium-high heat.
For how long?
For 20 minutes.
Yes, sir. The yummy rice. And what do you do at the end, Evelyn? You put parsley? What do?
You add parsley to it.
We're gonna eat this, you guys, with some black beans. Yum, yum.
Thank you guys for watching.